Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this juicy, succulent herb roasted chicken recipe. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so we're going to start off this recipe today. We'll go season up the chicken, we'll go wash it first with some lemon juice, rinse it off, clean out all of the fatty stuff, and then we'll go get going, alright? Just cut up the chicken, nice and proper. We're not cut them up too small, we'll cut them up in about medium to large size pieces, Yeah man. And it's like in a chicken back, right? So you want to clean out any unwanted stuff, right? So you don't want. Yeah man. So we have the lemon right here. We're going to cut it open and then wash off the chicken, clean it up nice and proper. You see? Yeah man, forward. Squeeze that juicy lemon juice from it, Remove some of that rawness from the chicken and any bacteria or anything like that, Yeah man. Wash it like you wash clothes, as I say. Yeah. And there we go. Give it a second wash. Onion, peel it, and then we're gonna blend it with the thyme, the rosemary, garlic, the scotch bonnet pepper, all these lovely ingredients, And don't forget to wash your veggies, your herbs. Wash everything before you use them. Yeah man. We're not in the dirty kitchen, Clean kitchen. As you can see guys, I have my scallion. I have like 5 scallion right here. Some garlic, thyme, rosemary, scotch bonnet pepper, and my onion. Alright? Rinse it off. Drop in your scallion, onion, all the herbs them together. Stuck it right inside. And then you're gonna also add half cup of water. See, water at the bottom. Close it up, and obviously you're gonna need some type of blender or one of them NutriBullet thing. Yeah man. Yeah man, so here we have the seasoning them. We have some chicken seasoning, ginger powder, and some complete seasoning. And this is the blended herbs that we did earlier. Alright? So we just go combine the thing them, the good thing them. Now waste nothing today. Yeah man. Drop in the blend up. Yeah. See it there? And then we're gonna mix this up guys, Mix it up nice and proper. And then once everything is fully combined, we're just gonna let it sit for 24 hours for best results, The longer you make it soak, the better it end results, better it tastes. Yeah man, look at that guys, watch it. Yeah man, seasoning smell good right now, so you know what time it is. So 24 hours and then we're gonna sear it off and then drop it in the oven and cook it down for about 40 minutes. Yeah man. Yeah man, so go add in some oil, some cooking oil, vegetable oil. Add in about 6 tablespoons. And once it becomes nice and hot, then we're gonna sear off the chicken, drop it in the oven with some water and cook it down for 40 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Yes guys, so this is how it's looking right now. After searing your chicken for about 2 minutes per side, it should look exactly like this, light seared. Alright, so now we're going to add some carrots, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Add that on top. Just like that. Then we're gonna add some of that marinade that we blended earlier. Not the whole thing, just a little bit. It's gonna add a nice herb flavor to this recipe today. Just like that. We're also gonna add a little bit of water. Not much, just to steam it up. All right. And also some white wine. I'm telling you guys, this is a must try recipe. Not too much, just for the flavor. We're not trying to drunk this chicken, you know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna add some sweet Thai chili, add a little sweetness, and this is gonna balance the flavor just the way we want it. Just like that. All right. And now we're gonna let it bake for 40 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go. Yes guys, so this is my favorite part of the video. You know, the finished product, taste testing time. So right now, we're gonna mash it up right now. So follow me through and see what's going on. Right now, you wanna enjoy it with some wine. White wine preferably, you see me I say? Straight from Jamaica. Yeah. Ooh, soft man. You see that? Watch it. You don't need no knife to cut through this, you know. Melt in your mouth type of meat, them here. Yeah man. So we gonna slice it up, fall apart. Watch it man. Juicy, packed with a bunch of flavor, well seasoned. May I smell it right now. Yeah man, so this is it guys. Look how soft it is. Falling off the bone, falling apart. You don't really need no knife to cut through it. Even the bone a melt. Watch it. Oh my god. Yeah man. Oh, on a scale of 1 to 10 guys, this is a must try. 11 out of 10. That's how good it is. Watch it. Let me take a bite. Wow. Yo guys, thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.